Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Motive. Today, I'm going to share some of the best tips for learning and improving your English. If you are looking for ways to improve quickly, using graded readers and learning through stories can make a big difference. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Use graded readers. First, let's talk about graded readers. These are books written for English learners. They use simple language that matches your level. You can choose books that are easy, medium, or advanced depending on your skills. Why are they useful? Well, they help you understand new words without feeling confused or overwhelmed. Also, the sentences are short and clear, so you can learn grammar naturally as you read. Tip 2. Learn English through stories. Another great way to improve English is by learning through stories. Why? Because stories keep you interested. When you enjoy what you are reading, it's easier to focus and remember new words. Find simple English stories online or in books. You can even watch videos with stories to improve your listening skills. Start with short stories, then slowly try longer ones. Tip 3. Reading aloud. Another tip is to read aloud. When you read out loud, you practice speaking and listening at the same time. It helps you improve your pronunciation and understand the flow of the language. You can also record yourself reading, then listen back to see how you sound. Tip 4. Review and repeat. Lastly, always review and repeat. If you read a story today, come back and read it again tomorrow or next week. This helps you remember new words and phrases better. The more you repeat, the more natural it will feel. If you follow these tips, your English will improve faster than you think.